I just knew that would happen. I knew I would sit down and my hair would not fit in this shot. I knew it. I was like, it's not even going to be in the monitor. Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. This is all I want to say for today's video. Ding! Do you guys remember the video I showed you when I did my bag swap with SARA here on YouTube? I'm trying to get the girl. I did my bag swap with SARA here on YouTube for the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpack for the PM. She gave me that little catch-all dish. It's very fitting for today. This is just what's happening. It was one of those days. It was one of those days where I'm like, I just need a bobby pin. And you dig around somewhere and there is just, you're like, oh. But today I am doing a first impressions on what's in my bag on this gorgeous little edgy number. I picked this up roughly a month ago, I think it was, yes. And this is a BALENCIAGA Mini City in the aged calfskin with the BALENCIAGA logo on it. So you can buy this strap separately from BALENCIAGA and put it on any sort of your city bags, obviously if it's black aged. But this actual one, it is the BALENCIAGA logo Mini City in itself. So the little mirror that comes with every city bag has the BALENCIAGA on it, and there's the mirror. And then the strap has the logo, as you can see. Super edgy, adding extra edge to an already very edgy little bag. When I say little, obviously it is a mini bag, but this would genuinely fight you when it is fully packed like it is today. Look, I'm not gonna lie, I've shoved my sunnies. That is how I go out of the house. I'm about to go and pick up my sin, that's how I would leave. Like I just shove them on top. No matter what little, what baggie they're in. Let me put this back. But don't underestimate this mini bag. This guy can really hold a ton of your essentials. I'm going to put this along the same lines as the Celine Nano luggage. You're not sure, but then it just keeps piling and piling and piling. That is the same with this little guy. Just going over a few of my pros and kind of cons. I don't really have too many cons. Pros is the BALENCIAGA supple leather. Oh my gosh. I thought my leather was really good. Like, I'm not going to say that I thought it was... Yeah, okay. I thought it was BALENCIAGA standards. My leather that the factory I use in, like, they bring it in from Korea, and it's an amazing leather. If you have one of my Jerusha pouches, you'll know, like, it just over time gets so soft and supple. This is better than that. It's amazing. It is so beautiful and it is just so nice to sort of touch and feel. So the feel and the comfort is definitely a pro. The size is definitely a pro, 100%. This fits all my essentials and more, and I'm happy with the space. I'm loving, a lot of people in the luxe at the moment are saying they're not really loving big bags. They're kind of going more for mini bags. I'm just going for bags. If you've watched any of my Instagram lives, I think second last one I've done, I said like it's year of the bag for Jerusha, which I know seems crazy because I feel like maybe every year is, but I'm so obsessed with bags, and it's so much so that I'm kind of calculating SLGs and I'm calculating other things to be like, oh, that's half of one bag. So I'm really, yeah, I'm loving that. A total pro is the price point. These sort of high ones, 2,000 price points are really sort of great. It's not entry level, obviously, but a really great price point that's not going to kick you in the guts like Chanel does. Do you understand what I mean? And you're getting, like, you'd think, oh, if I pay 1,700, 1,800 for a bag, for a luxury designer bag, it will probably be not as good as, you know, saving up and forking out $8,000 for a Chanel bag. Wrong. These qualities of these bags that are coming in at that level, so this BALENCIAGA City range, the Marmont range from Gucci, Saint Laurent, like the Lulu, these are just great prices for what you get, and it's quality. It really, really is. Pro for me is I love cotton drill. I'll show you once I get inside, but it's cotton drill lined. I love that. Some people don't. They believe you should get leather lined. That doesn't always mean it's better. It gets quite heavy, actually very heavy when it's leather lined. Exhibit A, heaviest bag ever, and it's completely leather lined. I like cotton drill lining personally, I really do. The details of this bag is a pro. All of this hardware on this one is like the City Edge. It's smaller. I did once buy it at Balenciaga City, if you follow my channel, off FASHIONPHILE. It was a rose gold giant. I found it way too gaudy, way too in your face. And this just turned out to be perfect for me because it's just a lot more slimline and little, but it gives you a bit of flashiness because it is the polished. So this is the polished silver hardware, which is super fresh. I think like silver on black is just so fresh. When I'm not feeling fussy, it's such a great bag to grab. I think that's all my pros. Cons. If you saw the unboxing, I will blow my janitor's whistle. But I told you that these clasps are just tinny. And I was maybe considering not keeping the bag because I could not understand why a design house would put such tinny hardware. However, I have since worked out through subbies alerting me it is this bag. So the polished silver hardware is this. So when you have sort of the aged gold hardware or maybe even like the ruthenium aged silver hardware, it's not this kind of hardware. It's just literally this line. So if you have this light, like polished silver, you're probably jingling along with me. I don't love it. I look past it. It doesn't grind me as much anymore because I really enjoy the bag, but that is a con. Even though it is what it's famous for, the ties are a con. I already knew it was. I've literally tried this bag on countless amounts of times. Countless. I cannot even tell you. And I never bit the bullet because I felt like it was teeny weeny and I looked like this jumbo giant with a tiny little bag on. I got over that and just sort of thought, screw it, I really like it. Every time I tried it on, I was like, thinking in my head, oh, I'm going to pull these off or unstitch them and take them off or cut them. Now that I have it, I can't bring myself to cut them. I think that's like blasphemy. But they you know, it's very like Harley Davidson, biker gang. Like it's a little bit too much with the tassels. So my way around it is that I tuck them in so that they're not too much like this. I tuck in the mirror so it's not flapping around. And it's much more enjoyable that way. The strap is adjustable. I find that fine. I know some people might ask me about the strap. It's totally fine and adjustable. So great for shorties and great for tallies like me. So it's a good length. But the last con is I'd say the zipper's not amazing. It's not out of this world. Again, it's a great zipper, but for the price point, it's probably all right. Again, it could just be my hardware, but it's not the nicest feeling zipper, do you know what I mean? But if you're a Vuitton lover, nothing is going to please you, trust me, nothing. Okay, I've tilted the camera down, let's go on to show you what's inside this baby. I love doing it this way, it's better. I love seeing people pull stuff out, so you just kind of get the idea. I always say that. I used to do it in how I pack what fits in my bag. So a good thing, it probably is a pro, some people may not like it. The tongues of the zipper come all the way out, like a toiletry case from Louis Vuitton, and flop over the sides. You can, however, tuck them in. It's a little bit more fiddly, but either way, it's up to you. On top, as I said, are my sunglasses in my Louis Vuitton sunglass case MM in the monogram. I truthfully just shove them on top like that. I really do. It comes to a point where I can't leave my sunnies behind, so they get shoved wherever they can. And the sunglasses I am currently wearing, I have to obviously, oh, they're dirty. Embarrassing. Oh, I have to bam. The Key Australia Desi Perkins High Key Fades in black. The most amazing sunnies. These are my Vivians. I feel so like just on and fab when I have them. They fit in this case nicely. And to be honest, I don't like the Desi Perkins case. Matter of fact, where is it? Let me get it. Here we go. This is her case. It is a clear plastic case, but it's really cheap. So all the sides are really, like, it's really hard and all the sides are really sharp. And I don't want that inside my bag. It doesn't do up very well. So we just toss that away and we put it in this, which is super handy. Okay, so this gives you a better shot of what's down inside this little bag. And truthfully, right now, this is a perfect time to do what's in my bag, because this is what is happening and this is what's true to the moment. See, true to the moment. A dummy mum, I give my child a dummy. He's off it completely, like, during the day, but if he loses his shit in the car, I have to have one on me, so, you know, I can calm that kind of situation. That was in the back pocket. This bag has one interior zipper pocket. It's not ginormous, but it's big enough. In it, I have my car key separately on my drag-on strap. I have my Chanel Rouge Coco Clear Balm, which I'm almost out of, which is very beautiful. I have my lipstick, which I am adoring. This is the Tom Ford, and it is the Sable Smoke. And I picked this up on my way home from the United States. Last thing in this little pocket is an SD card. Ooh, it's a 32. Is an SD card, which I definitely need. And that is that little pocket empty. So there is its zipper. It doesn't have a long tassel pull. It just has a little one. But that is it there. That's the size of it, you can see. To the main compartment, I have my husband's credit card. Always important to have. Ding! I have my iPhone 7 Plus in front of that. And it has my Gucci Marmont with the Love Heart Black Matelasse phone case shell on it in black, which is just beautiful. I tell you what, when it's in these sort of bags and I'm searching for my phone, I lose it because it's like it's the calf skin, and if all your other items are leather, then you're kind of like, where's my phone? Have I lost my phone? Then I have my newest addition to my Chanel collection. This is my four key holder from Chanel. I know, I was not mistaken. I knew it was a 4 key, but in the unboxing of this, you know what it was? I'll tell you. This is not an excuse, but this is why. This 4 key is the size of a Louis Vuitton 6 key. The width of it is. So I'm holding my 4 key from Louis Vuitton and I'm talking about this, but I just got confused. Everyone corrected me. If you want to be corrected in life, become a YouTuber. It is the job of everyone to correct you. In any way they can, they will correct you. It's my 4 key holder from Chanel. I acquired this off FASHIONPHILE. I just did an unboxing of it. It is simply gorgeous. It holds all my keys, house keys, office keys, and it holds my parents' condo swipe. I love that thing. And then it matches perfectly. I'm having a black moment. If you didn't know, black moment. See, it all matches so nicely. So my small cosmetic case in the lambskin leather with champagne gold hardware from Chanel. I purchased this off of SUBBIE Shanti, and this is my little mini catch-all for inside my bags. In here I have, of course, a Rouge Coco gloss 722, beautiful color. I have my Chanel double facets mirror, which is super handy. I have many business cards, and I have Panadol, and I probably have a few bobby pins in the bottom as well. Down on the bottom here, I have my wallet. See, it's a Chanel moment, guys. It's a Chanel moment. So this is my zip around coin or card holder, whatever they're called, who knows these days. I do have coins inside here. I usually, because it's the cotton lining, don't prefer to put coins in my Chanel items, just because they wear faster than the Vuitton, because the Vuitton is like the the shiny man-made lining, whereas this is cotton drill. So there is coins, there is cash folded, and there is all my cards, and it still zips up perfectly. These things hold a ton. If you're looking for like a compact version of a wallet, I guess, because it's really, really small, these are great. And then just on the bottom, I have 2 lip glosses, Chanel Rouge Cocos, and this is in the Icing 726, and in what I have on today, 716. No, I have Icing on today. Do I? Yes. And then I have a NYX lip liner pencil in the nude suede shoes. Definitely one of my favorites. I don't think NYX are doing pencils anymore. They're doing the mechanical, which would be sad. Okay guys, that brings me to the end of my first impression, what's in my bag, of this gorgeous little number. I'm glad I held on to it, I really am. A few people were like, no, return it. A few people were like, oh no, she kept it, she's gonna sell it. I get that a lot. Who cares? If you buy a bag or you buy an item and you want to let go of it, that is 100% your choice. Maybe it doesn't work for you anymore, it's not really suited, or it wasn't what you thought it was. Luckily, we are in a community that can resell. I think we should be happy and lucky for that. I will link this bag below for you guys. I got mine off Matches. Usually when you sign up for newsletters and things like that, you can get a certain % off or discount codes or coupon codes. So definitely check those links out. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, that would be so great, guys. I'm over 80,000, so thank you so much to everyone that has subscribed, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care. Peace.